Hi, I'm Angus Dodds. I'm Brand Manager for ServiceMaster Clean. ServiceMaster Clean provides a great opportunity to develop a business using your personal skills and energy to create a profitable business that will help you grow and develop the sort of rewards in life and the lifestyle that you want. ServiceMaster Clean Residential Services provide you with a grounding in growing a business, in providing services in domestic properties, cleaning carpets, upholstery, curtains, and looking after hard floors. So if people want their houses looking nice, then we provide that service for them. The ServiceMaster Clean Commercial Services brand provides the opportunity to deliver services for carpets and hard floors in particular, but also upholstery in commercial environments. By that we mean going into offices, going into commercial buildings and providing those services, ensuring that the staff that use the facilities know that they're working in a nice environment, and when you invite customers along, they can see that you look after the premises and it represents your business, how you want that business to be. So commercial services licence is a great opportunity, particularly for those people who are not intimidated by business-to-business sales.